Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel D Creations Resources. We are looking at multiple choice questions and right now we are doing MCQs on research methodology. Here's a simple question about sources of literature review. Now, if you are not aware of these sources, I would suggest that you go back to a video we had done earlier, episode 13 in the research methodology series, where we had talked about different sources of literature review. So, primary sources and secondary sources, tertiary sources. So, basically, how they are classified and what is the logic behind that, and of course, examples for each kind of sources. So once you're well versed with it, you can go back to this question which says which sequence correctly orders sources by distance from original research. And option A is tertiary, secondary, primary. Option B is secondary, primary, tertiary. Option C is primary, secondary, tertiary. And option D is primary, tertiary, secondary. So if you have understood what these sources are, the answer is very simple. So I would suggest you pause it, choose your option and then resume and cross check it. If you are not aware of it, as I said, please listen to the earlier episode carefully and then you can choose the answer. So answer here is straightforward. It's option C because primary source of literature is basically, it could be a research communication or a conference proceeding where the researchers who have done the research themselves are reporting it. Secondary is of course review article is an example of secondary source, and an encyclopedia is an example of a tertiary source. So you can see it in details in the episode I had mentioned earlier, and so this is a simple question about sources of literature review. Thank you.